Hi, Sam here. I'm the founder of Skola, and today I'm excited to take you through our virtual events with Skola interface and help you and show you how we create a quick campaign and publish our live or pre-recorded event. Now, the main reason we created Skola is so you can sell, deliver, then scale your business. Courses, e-commerce, or launching products all work on an older model that's really inefficient, and these days people don't want to just sit down and watch courses. They want to attend events. So let's go through this in 3 quick steps. First, create your campaign. Once you've created your campaign, you can then get started creating your first sales event offer. To create your offer to sell, first click on Create Funnel. You'll then be automatically taken to our funnel planner. You can then see a full plan of our proven sales funnel. Click into each page and edit it. To start, select your main offer page, customize your message, add your own headline, text, and either remove or add your own video. Go to each of the pages within your offer and edit them. Once you've finished editing, then click Save and Publish. Your funnel is now published onto your domain and you're ready to start selling spots to your virtual event. As you're selling and your customers receive tickets, you can then start to create your virtual event. Start by first adding your virtual event. Then customize your virtual event. Start by adding different sessions that your attendees can join in the future. Post announcements and preview how your event is looking for attendees. 7 days out from your event, attendees will be able to gain access to the lobby and view your announcements, sync their calendars with your event, and even network with one another. When your event goes live, depending on whether you've pre-recorded or pre-scheduled videos to stream, or you're using a live streaming software like Zoom, your audience will see a Join Now link, and that'll show up and they'll be able to then log on and watch live. This is just the beginning of what's possible with virtual events with Skola. 2022 is going to be the year of virtual events, and if you'd like to be at the very ground floor, equipped to make as much money as possible, then this is your ticket. Go down below now and get access. I can't wait to see you on the inside.